Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am back with another interesting and fascinating video on hairstyles that will definitely make you look stand out from the crowd, and it will add on to your charm, and it will add on to your beauty, and it will enhance your look and make you look confident enough. Let's see what lovely hairstyles are we now going to put into to make ourselves look damn pretty. Let's see, have made here a small thin pleat, and with the help of bobby pins we are going to entangle it. And now what we are doing next is making a beautiful circular patterns like this. Let's see, on all from top to bottom, and then tying it like this. And here's to the lovely hairstyles. Yes, these zigzag patterns, these starry look. Yes, isn't it beautiful? Yes, definitely it is. Now, see, what are we going through? By putting a beautiful, lovely clip on the top of it, this lovely ribbon. And with the help of the knot, you can just make crisscross pleat, and you will end up getting the beautiful result on your hairstyles. Let's see, what are we going through next? Which hairstyles are we going to make in another round by proceeding further in the video? Yes, and these lovely patterns of hairstyles of 4 petals, it is really interesting and really pretty awesome to look at, isn't it? And these hairstyles, when you make it on yourself, it will be a visual treat for others. Isn't it amazing? So why won't you try? Yes, definitely you should. With the help of the small ribbon, you can make the crisscross patterns, and it will look colorful and it will look lovely. Now take a small plastic rubber band and make knots like this with the help of your hair, and just fold it and attach it like this, and this lovely beautiful pattern is ready on your hairstyle. Now let's see what is there in store for us here now. Yes, we have another interesting and fascinating, lovely, beautiful hairstyles to add on to your charm and grace. I'm very excited to try all these on my hair. Aren't you excited? Definitely. Yes. Here some other hairstyles by making crisscross patterns like this, and taking hair from the upper side, and with the help of this lovely beautiful ribbon like this, and making crosses like this and from the side, and it will give a neat look to your hair. Now proceeding further in the video, let's see making these pleats, regular pleats like this, and decorating it with the help of your tic-tac star clips and decorative hairstyle accessories will make you look awesome and amazing. By proceeding further, let's see, and this lovely hairstyle will definitely make your day and make you look cool and amazing, isn't it? Now let's see what other hairstyles can we make very beautifully and easily. This crisscross pattern is personally my favorite, and you should definitely try this on yours. Taking the side curls like this and making pleats like this from the starting of the hair, and it will definitely add charm.